You ask, so what do I do for a living? Well, let me explain to you, because it's kind of hard to explain. First, I will get a drawing, say like, it would be a blueprint or model, look something like this. I'll look at that, and it's kind of my blueprint on something that they need made, either out of plastic or out of metal. And I come over to here to my computer, and I will actually draw what's on this paper, which is the blueprint. Draw it up on the screen. See? Yeah. And when I finish drawing it on the screen, I will actually write a program so that these automated machines are called computer numerically controlled machines. Write a program for the machine, and it will actually make the part that I drew on the screen. And here's actually a picture of one of the machines that I just got through programming for that part. I'll start out with a piece of material, in this case, a piece of plastic. Put it in the machine, set it in here like that. And this is actually the control that the program comes in, that I will export the program into the control here. And after I get the machine all set up, I will actually push the button. It will come through, grab it, go down. It's actually making the part with drill bits, end mills, cutters, corner rounding tools. Voila! My part is done. And that looks just like the part on the screen. And that answers what I do for a living. See ya.